Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub.
And today's session we will discuss about file handling in Python and here how to create a file and how to write a file and how to read the file and how to delete that file.
What is file handling? File handling is an important part of an web application. If a web application can, it's more important and more useful to file handling. How to handle the file and how to write and how to create and how to read the file. And Python and several functions to creating and reading and updating and deleting the files. The key function for the working with file is Python by opening function. The major function to create the file or using file and reading file, whatever you want to do, just open with the open function. The open function takes two parameters, a file name and a mode, which kind of mode you want. There are four types of modes. First one, X. X should be creating. Creating specified file. What kind of file you want to create, that file should be created by using X. How it work? Let's see in Jupyter Notebook. We have to give some heading. File handling. Shift enter and I want to create a file with empty one by using create file by X. Let's give some file name equals to F with using open function within the parenthesis, and here we will use in double quotes and copy the desktop path. I need to copy this file in the desktop. I have to copy that desktop path and paste here. In here, I want to change this and give some particular file name like shiva dot then txt file, and here we have to use a file path means file name and whatever the mode I want X. Here we have give some particular file name and using open function and file name or path and the mode. Just created empty file. Just shift enter. It should be created. Let's check it will be created or not. And checking on desktop. Here Shiva txt file will be created. Just open this file. See this. This is the empty file. And the next one is W. W means write. Opens a file for writing. If in some files will be created by using X. Otherwise we want to use W. W, when you are using W, we don't need to use X function. X means X mode. And let's check how it will work. We have to create a one more file like F equals to open. I want to create same path. It means in desktop within the parenthesis, and using file name should be change sh. A mode will be W. Here I want to write something. What should I write? F dot write. In between the parenthesis we have to write something like uh, this is my first file creation, and here we have to close this function. Just shift enter. Here here we are using same thing, using some file name and open function, giving same file path, and we have to use more function should be changed here x and here w. X means only creating a specific file only, but here we want to write something in the file. And what should I write and how to write? By using f dot write. It should be write anything on between the parenthesis and double quote. And let's this function wants to close using by f dot close. Let's check it will be created or not. Here we go. sh file should be created. Let's open. Here, this is my first file creation. That's good. A next one should be read, or is read. Default value. Open a file for reading. We have to use read to use only reading the values whatever the given data should be readable or not. Let's check into Jupyter. We have to give some particular value in the f. Let's check what the value should be, how to value should be readable or not. Same path should be copy and paste. Control C and Control V, and here we have to change only R and f dot read. Just shift and enter. What is happen? Just this is my first file creation, and here in between the single quotes I don't need this, just using print function, print and shift enter. Here we go. This is the reading of the file by using R. And the next one is A. A means appending the particular file should be another values. We have to create a particular value by using write, and I need to add a more values or more text value in the same file. We have to use append. Append means A. How it will work? We have to know in this file have a particular values in the write mode, and I want to change this one by using copy this, Control C and Control V, and changing only here by A. And next, what is happened? We have to write a more value in this particular file, and here we have to use write once again, f dot write in between parentheses and double quotes, and here we have to give a value like my name is Shivkumar, and I need to close it by using f dot close and shift enter. In this I want to see if it will be added or not, it will appended or not. Let's check by using this, copy and paste and run it. Here we go. This file is my first creation, and we need to give a particular value should be in the downwards by using /n. Here we need to run it, and here also run it, and here also run it. This is the one. This is my first file creation, and my name is Shivakumar. Here we have to learn X value to create an empty file, and W value should be created file and gives a particular value, and here we are using R to read whatever the data in between the file, and here we have to see a means append. In we have to know a particular file should be have a values, and we have to add a one more column or one more value or one more text data. Just add by using append, and see this here. This all these are fine. I want to remove particular file by using these keywords and these code, by using importing OS function. How it will work? Just let's see. Import OS. This is one kind of library in Python. So many libraries we have to see in future. The most of the things Python will be increasing by using these libraries. It's tough. It's very easy to understand and it's very easy to work. Just run it. OS dot remove. I have to give a particular path. Control C and Control V. And we have to know a particular file should be deleted or not. Let's print. If it will be success, a print value should be printed. Otherwise, it won't print the value. Let's check. Print file removed. If this function should be successful, then the file will be deleted was printed. Yes, file removed. Let's checking shiva.txt file was removed or not. Here, the file was removed by using removing this one. Its cause a file should be creating by X and it should be creating by removing function also. And please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.